Okay, Luke, let me try and show you what I was talking about. So, when you open your trading view chart, this is 30 minutes time frame. This is 30 minutes time frame. So, anytime you open your chart, your focus should be on this 30 minutes time frame and 5 minutes time frame. Then, when you want to trade, if you want to trade London section, you have to look at the chart and see the areas of the areas of liquidity, the liquidity zone. Sorry, you understand? You have to look for the areas of liquidities in the market. You understand? By doing so, it will be able to help you and find a good high probability trade with a good risk to reward ratio. And don't forget, all this has to go down with market structures and Q zone. So when you look over here, you'll see what's happening here. Let me zoom in a bit. When you look over here, this is a random Q zone, and you can see the time 8:30 a.m. So you already know that this is your areas of intercept, which is a liquidity zone. You understand? This is your liquidity zone. So what you have to do, you just have to mark out this area and wait for price to come down here the next day. You understand? Because this is a previous section high. This is a previous London high. Because when you look over here now, you can see the equal lows here. You understand? So after that, you have to make, just like I did here, you have to just mark out, just use your horizontal line or anything just to mark out the areas of liquidities. You understand? So look at here, let me show you something. So when price delivers to this level before you execute, which is still the same London section, you can see is 8:30 a.m. So it's very, very easy. You understand? When you look over here, you can see from this area to here, if you are using good risk to reward ratio, I don't think there is any other thing you are looking at the market. Okay, let's take here for instance. You can see this place is still areas of liquidity. You understand? These are the major key levels in the market. That's where your focus should be on. So on the other hand here, over here, after the accumulation and reaccumulation, so you can see the time is still 8:30. So when you are trading London, you have to focus on the London section lows and London highs. There is nothing else you need in the market. You don't need candlesticks pattern. You don't need chart pattern and all those things. You just have to focus on price action. You understand? You have to focus on price action. Then you follow the market structure. That's the best way for you to be able to move when price is moving. You don't just force price to move. You move with price. That is price action for you. Are you getting it? So when you look at this area now, you can see this area of liquidity. So it's a high probability trade. It's just left for you to wait for price to deliver for you. Over here, you can see price came back and delivered to this our key level before it rallies up and start going. So it's very, very simple. You understand? When you look at the market, you see so many examples here. You can see here the same thing. This is 8:30 in the morning, and over here you can see this is 8:30 in the morning, which is London section. That is all you need to be a profitable trader. You don't have to focus on candlesticks, chart patterns, and all those things. They won't help you, and you don't even need any other time frame. All you need is 30 minutes and 5-minute time frame. It's only when you want, let's say you're looking for a better high probability trade and all those things, then you can still go down to, let's say, You can still go down to maybe 4 hours, then daily or weekly time frame. But to me, to be a profitable day trader, to become a consistent profitable day trader, your focus should be on the 5 minutes time frame and the 30 minutes time frame. So it's very, very important, guys. It's very, very important. So there's nothing else you need in the market. All you have to do is to focus on one thing and keep on practice. When you practice enough time, you'll be able to understand how the key levels and the market structure, how everything works. You understand? So you don't need to spend the whole day on the screen that you are trying to trade. So that's all you need to become a consistent, profitable trader. So when you look at the forward chart, you can see all these things here. You can see the key levels in the markets. So it's very, very clear. You understand? But by men looking at it here, it will be very, very confusing. So it's only when you go down to the lower time frame, which is 30 minutes and 5 minutes, then you'll be able to see all those things clear. You understand? Let me still show you more examples so it will be more clear to you. So when you look at this area now, you can see the movement, which is 2 p.m., which is New York section. Okay, when you look at this level, the time for the price to make the major move after price delivered to this our key level here is still New York time, which is 12:30 p.m. So there's nothing else you need in the market. So that's it, guy.